Hi KZ students, you know what animal it is? They say meow, meow. Oh, it's a cat. And I made it from paper. And I call it origami. Okay, this is origami cat. Do you want to make one of this? Yeah? Here, Teacher Lang will show you how to make the very simple one, okay? So from this square paper, okay, I will show you some basic fold. Okay, number one is like when you fold it from this piece of paper, you fold it like a book. Okay, this is book fold. Okay, this is book fold, and the second fold is, we call it cupboard fold. Okay, so it's like from here, you from the book, and you open it. Okay, open it well. Then you take one side and you put it in the center and you crease well, crease it well. Then you do the same to the other side. You get it and fold it into the center. Then you crease. Okay, you crease it well, and now you have, let's see, you see this one like the cupboard, right? It's like the cupboard. You open it and you fold it in. Or for example, if we want to say it like in the math way, it would be, and as you can see, the 4 equal parts, right? We say fold it to 1/4, right? So this is 1/4. You see, 1/4, and this would be half, right? This is the book fold, cupboard fold. Okay, but with this cat, it's not like the cupboard fold. It will be like this. Okay, from this piece of paper, you also do a fold, but it's not like a book. It will be like the square. Okay, like the triangle. Okay, or you can also call it like, when you open it, you can see a V. You can call it valley fold. Okay, it's the valley fold, and from here you can see the center line. You see it? Okay, and here you take the corner and you fold it along the center line. Okay, like this. All right, and you crease it and do the same to the other side. You take it to the center, okay, to the center line, and then you crease it well. Okay, now you have it looks like a kite, right? Now it looks like a kite, and you will face it down. Okay, you will face it down, and you get about half of this, or yeah, you get a half of it, or not really a half of the line, and then you put it down like this, and then you need to crease. Okay, you have to crease well, so that we can see it more beautifully. Okay, now let's make the ear of the cat. So you take this one, you make another fold. Okay, you see you take one line from here and one line from here. You take it up like this. Okay, it's another valley fold. Okay, and up. Okay, yeah, we make 2 valley fold, and now another fold. Okay, over here you can still see the line, right? Let's fold it up. So what it can be, you take it down a little bit. Here is another fold. Very simple, isn't it? Now we have the nose and we have 2 ears. Now what you need to do is you draw the eyes. Okay. Here, let's draw the eyes of the cat. And if you want, you can draw the triangle in the ear so that you can see it clearly. Okay, the triangle, and this is the nose. Oh, this is too small. Okay, so here you go. We have our we have the cat. Meow, meow. Or if you want, you can draw the whiskers. Okay, you can draw the whiskers over here. Whoa. Do you like it? Yeah? Or you can fold many things with this. So for example, here Teacher Lan has a camera. Okay, click. Oh, how beautiful it is. Okay. Alright, Casey. So besides the origami paper, can you think of any materials that you can use to make something? Here, let's look at this. You know what it is? It's a boat, right? And I think you know how to fold it. And this one, you already learned how to fold an airplane. But you know what kind of paper did I make this? Is it a white paper? I don't think so. Oopsie, I see the date on it. So this is a calendar, okay? The old calendar. So you can reuse the materials, use the paper to make it like this. Okay, here I have a lot of calendar paper or one side paper. Okay, I like one side paper like this, and then you can color on the other side. Okay, so let's recycle things and make it fun. Okay, you can think of or you can search on YouTube to see how to fold the things, or when we come back, Teacher Lan gonna show you how to make the different things, okay? Or from the dog, the cat, even the elephant or airplane, super easy, right? Airplane or boat, all right? So let's review, okay? So origami is the art paper that you don't need to cut, you don't need to glue it. It's just paper, and then you have to fold it, okay? You fold and you crease, and then you unfold or reverse. So there's quite many steps, but you remember the book fold and the cupboard fold and the reverse, then you can do something else, okay? Enjoy!